Okay. We're going to get a big story now. Let's hear it. Are you letting off some Helene steam? Don't get it. Earl all riled up. He's in the office. Here. You gonna let off some steam? No, 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 no. What? What are you talking about? Hmm? What are you talking about? Okay. Hey, Earl. What are you doing? You having some lunch, Buster? You having some lunch? You might talk to me when he's eating like that. Give Tess, Earl. I left Percy in because he got really freaked out here last night. So.
Well, here's their generator.
Yeah, theirs is kind of loud. You thinking about climbing up there?
He will. Push him out a little bit.
There you go.
You can get on this part.
There you go, Bud Earl.
Good, he's eating his pasta blends.
Oh, yeah. Supreme. You like your Supreme pasta blend, Buster? Can you give me a kiss? No scritch? I can't get to you when you do it like that. You want a drink? I can't believe it. I was gonna say, I don't think he'll do it again. That was pretty much an accident. You didn't know what that was, did you?
You should get him.
I'll go get his bowl. Spraying everywhere.
I'll get some Teflon tape out of the shed in a little bit.
Are you having some treats, Earl? You deserve some treats, buddy. You gonna soak some of your Supreme? Come here and talk to me. Come here. Hey, come talk to me. Buster, come here. Come talk to me. You don't want to talk to me? Come here. I want to talk to you. Come on. Let's talk. What do you want to talk about? Did you go back to work today? You're a good bird. Is Dad going to stay home again tomorrow? Yeah. He's going to be home again tomorrow. You going to have breakfast with Dad again? You got a whole week with him. What? You okay? You okay? You're being a good bird. You're being a good bird. Okay. You lucky? Good bird. You gonna sing me a song? Sing I Am Blessed. Okay. Bye. Earl, are you tired now that you ate? Are you yawning? Kiss. Did you hear him? I don't know if I got it. He went, hello. Come here. Are you sleepy now that you ate? Hello. You and Earl have been kind of finicky, haven't you? Hmm? Hi, good bird. What are you doing? You hear that bird? Where's that bird? Aren't you going to talk to me? You usually talk to me when I come over here. Max, you getting some fresh air? Max. What we doing, Bobo? What we doing? Hey, Tori, old man. What doing, buddy? Are you chilling? Do you miss Isabel? Isabel go to sister's house? Huh? You're doing all right though, huh? Yeah. You want to scritch? Here, shut this. I don't think he'll get out, but we can try. Do you want to come here? You want a head scratch? Sometimes he bites me when he's in his cage. Huh? Skitch, 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 skitch. Do you want to step up? You want to step up? He's like, no. I did just change your food bowls, didn't I? And you had a little spray bath, huh? You want your spray bath? You want to sing? Percy the bird. You're doing good, aren't you, Percy? Percy. Being quiet now, huh? You were being singing, saying Percy the bird. You want to switch? What are you doing, boss? What are you doing? Come here. You just gonna chew your way out? Buster. Look, Bus. Oh. Buster, look.
Buster. Come here.
That'll save you. Max, he's okay.
So I went to work, and when I got home, it was raining.